figure out how to turn on this light, and there's no light switch. Turn on globe.
Oh, you know what? It's over here. Aha.
Oh,
Need it
genius.
to the wife. Oh yeah.
There we go. So we just got to Vegas and got our Cosmo wraparound terrace suite here, joined and accompanied by a beautiful wife, Evangeline. I call her Vang. And we're gonna have dinner right now, and check it out. They got fried chicken, spicy fried chicken, and they got grilled chicken, maybe not, and sweet tea and banana pudding.
And can you tell we're hungry? We've been driving like all day, so we can't wait to eat.
Like we're driving all day for 3 hours somehow.
But come on, 3 hours in
Yep.
the car.
This is Vang. We're at Hattie B in Cosmo. We just got our tea, and she's gonna tell us how she likes her tea. Give it a quick review of the tea.
Go ahead. It's not too sweet, just a perfect blend. It's amazing, really refreshing.
We got lemonade here. It's nice. It's perfectly sweet. It's like tangy and sour, but it's just the right kick.
Tiny, tiny sweet. It is sweet tea, but it's not too sweet that you can't handle it. Just really refreshing. A really, really nice, like southern black tea. I'm trying the spicy chicken sandwich. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That chicken is amazing. Oh my gosh, baby, you have to try this. This is so good. This spice is, oh my gosh. Somehow, the chicken is so tender. Did you guys hear that crunch when I bit it? Look at this chicken. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is and this is the mild, you guys, and it still has like a nice little kick to it. But for those of you that don't like spicy foods, mild would be the way to go. Oh my gosh, this chicken's amazing.
So we just woke up right now and got ready. Now we're gonna go get some breakfast. We're gonna go.
To the most amazing breakfast place. It's from Hawaii, actually.
What's it called again?
It's called Cinnamon.
Cinnamons. Yeah, that's right.
They
Cinnamons.
have amazing different local mochos and the best guava chiffon pancake on earth.
Yep, and we're gonna go to a cafe afterwards called
Gabi.
Gabi.
It's a hidden gem. It's kind of like a modern take on traditional Korean cafe. Their coffees are amazing, their teas are amazing, but you guys will see that the decor is just phenomenal. Super cute, modern.
We're in an elevator at Cosmo. There's something very comforting about elevator music. Would you agree?
Definitely very comforting.
Can't tell what song this is, but it's comforting nevertheless
The
because
background noise.
it's elevator music.
You're going down 30 flights of stairs.
Love it.
Hi guys! So that's the sound of our car. Oh my gosh. We are driving down Vegas Boulevard. There's Danny having a blast in his new toy, our Camaro. Right now we are in front of Paris. You guys see? In 1 second you'll see the Eiffel Tower. We've actually never stayed at Paris in all of the years we've been coming to Vegas because it's just, we have so many other favorites. There's Caesar's Palace and Bellagio over there. And we're just really excited for breakfast. I'm really excited for breakfast. I'm really, really hungry. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning.
We get some pancakes, right?
Oh yes, those guava pancakes. I can't wait
So we got a new car. I want to reveal, make a reveal video. We previously had a 2016 Camaro V6, and we recently just got a new Camaro SS with a V8, obviously, convertible. And so far the power's been amazing. We drove it out here to Vegas, and there's Vang in the passenger seat, and so far the power is amazing compared to the V6. It came with the Brembos, as you can see here, 20-inch wheels, you know, red paint, which is, you know, nice. You know, it's very eye-catching in my opinion. I love it. And you got the hard top, or soft top rather, and it's been amazing on this little trip. But yeah, this is our new car, and is it wife approved? Do you like the car, Vang?
I actually love this car. It is very wife approved. We have tons of fun in it, and it's really great to take on a vacation.
And some of you might see that.
Totally wife approved.
Thank you.
I'm actually mapping us to Cinnamons right now from here because I'm hungry. It's blanked out, but.
Oh no. Okay. So yeah, this is our newer Camaro SS convertible. And yeah, we're gonna go start it up for you guys. Oh, yeah, also got a muffler delete too. So it's a straight pipe, and we just got a K&N air intake. So sorry, Vang?
So we're going to eat now because I'm hungry, and we will see you guys at Cinnamons. Bye.
Breakfast time.
Yay!